welcome to another Ballet for tutorials. I'm Yelena, and today we have a simple port de bras exercise done in the center from my live lessons with my beginners intermediate students. We're going to do contretemps piqués, we're going to do balances. It's very simple, short, so let's start. We are going to begin croisé, facing the right diagonal in front of us, right leg on the back, arms on allongé, 5, 6, 7, and 8 plie. Yeah, so just a simple allongé goes to brava and open plie. We are going to do petit développé with your right leg to the side. It's going to rotate forward. You are going to turn that heel of that supporting leg, and we are going to end that facing the left diagonal in front of us, right leg in tendu. Yeah, so petit développé to the side, rotates, a step, and petit développé with left, tendu to the back, first arabesque. One more time, facing right diagonal in front of us, right leg on the back, 5, 6, 7, plie. Petit développé to your side. And as we start turning around, it just turns 1, pique, 2. Now, breathe arms 3 and plie 4. Right leg in front, left leg on the back, okay? And now we're going to repeat everything, starting with left leg, finishing facing the right diagonal. One more time. Arms on allongé, 5, 6, 7, plie, and 1, and 2, breathe, 3, and 4. Repeat the same with the other leg, 5, and petit développé with right now, 6, 7, and plie, 8. Croisé, facing the right diagonal in front of us, and now left leg is in front. Awesome. I'm going to repeat everything for you from the back now so you can see it better. So 5, 6, 7, plie, petit développé, and pique, 3, 4, left leg, 1, and 2, 3, plie, 4. Now let's continue the exercise. After we finish with that left leg in front, arms go to brava first, and we are going to do balance, balance. So 2 balances starting left, right. Let's do it again from where we finished that last contretemps. Plie, brava first, balance, looking opposite to where we're moving, and opposite to where we're moving. Now we're going to do petit développé in front of us, left leg and left arm. 1, pique, 5th position, right leg in front, we are croisé, facing left diagonal in front of us. And now, en face, change passing through a first position. 1, 2. So 3 movements in 2 counts. Left leg is on the back and goes left, right, left, chasse, sideways to the audience, tendu to the back. Yeah? So let's do the balances, 1, 2, 3. Left leg in front, plie, brava, first, balance, balance, petit développé. Right leg in front, left, right, left, chasse, pose, right arm in front of you, left arm up, and a little bit of cambre to the back. And that's our entire exercise. Then what we're going to do is immediately begin everything from the beginning, facing the left side, meaning we are going to end up in this position once we do left side. Now, let's go back and let's do everything from the beginning one more time without music, right and left side together. Right leg on the back, croisé, facing right diagonal in front of us, arms on allongé, and 5, 6, 7, plie, and 1, pique tendu, 2, and 3, plie, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Balance, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, and 7, and plie, right leg in front, 8. And start everything with left leg. 1, 2, 3, plie, 4, and right leg, 5, 6, 7, plie, balance, 1, 2, petit développé with right, 3, pique, 4, right leg, 5, 6, 7, 8, déchassé. Same leg and same arm, open together. Bring your left shoulder back. And a little bit of épaulement and cambre. Same to the other side. Right arm, right leg, open together. And that arms keep going back. Now let's do it with music. Ready? Listen to the music. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, plie, and 4, 7, plie, balance, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, plie, 1, 2, and breathe, arms, plie, left leg in front, right leg open, and tanti, and breathe, open, plie, balance, petit développé, right leg in front, left leg pique, and right, left, right, chassé. Take your time. Thank you very much for joining me in this super fun short port de bras exercise. If you would like to learn this in live, in person with me, I'm offering online lessons on my website, on Patreon, or you can just reach out to me. I'm going to see you in my next class, and hopefully it's a live class.